turning on, and here you go. Yeah, so you can see, right? So now I'm turning off all one by one. So I'm green off, you can see, then red off, blue off, sorry, yeah, so blue off. Hello guys, I am Rajiv and welcome back to our channel IoTBoys. So guys, today we come up with a very interesting and a simple project for IoT using Arduino. So our project is controlling LED using Windows PC. Guys, it's a very simple application and believe me, anyone can do. Even if you are a beginner, then also you can do. And if you are experienced, then also you can just have a look at the project, like, because controlling LED is very simple, I believe. Okay, but using the same method you can control anything. Okay, so that's why I'm saying just see how this is working. Okay, the same method you can apply for any advanced kind of project also. Okay, develop. So guys, to do this, I have created one Windows application which is free and open source. I will push the code to the GitHub, so anyone can download and like, you can extend the features, and whatever you don't like you can change also. So it's a very, and the application is also very simple, but still I will just demonstrate how the application is working. So I will go to the PC and I will show you that part also. So guys, for this project we need one breadboard, one Arduino Uno, 4 jumper wire, you can see, okay, and 3 LED, which is I'm using red, blue and green, and we need the 3 resistors to protect our the LEDs. Okay, so this resistors, this one is 1 kilo ohm. Okay, so you can use anything between like 330 to 1k ohm. Okay, so anything would be fine. So now let's see how to just connect with each other and like basically do the wiring. And also guys, I will provide the semantics, so don't forget to see that if you are stuck anywhere. And also the link I will provide it of the website, with that there also you can just have a look. Okay, so let's see how to connect this. So guys, I'm done with the wiring. So let me explain how it has been connected. So here you can see the pin 5, 6, 7, green and white and the gray. This cable I have connected to all the LEDs. Okay, and the another one is the ground. So ground I have just connected here. You can see this is the ground and I connected here. Okay, so that I can supply the ground to the all LEDs at once, I mean in a single wire. Else if I added here, then for all I need to pass the ground. So this will solve, actually this will save some jumper wire. Okay, that's all. And one thing I would like to tell you, you might know, or if you don't know, so you can see there is a the two legs. Okay, so one leg is little bit longer than other one, you can see. So the longer leg is the plus and the smaller one is minus. So this is the VCC and this is the ground. Okay, so you need to put VCC always with the I mean with the resistors. So this is 1k resistors. I have like added 3 for all 3. Okay, now this is, now I have added like this. Okay, so that's all for the wiring guys. And like you can see semantic diagram also here. And now let's see the like a demo, like how it's working. So final output. Okay guys, excited? Okay guys, so it's demo time. Okay, so it's already selected COM3. Okay, that's for the Arduino. I have already connected here, you can see. Okay, everything is fine. Okay, now like I have already shown you, right? Like I have already added these buttons here. Okay, you can see. So in the code you have seen like I'm connecting with 9600 baud rate, so the same I have selected here 9600. Now I'm clicking on connect. Okay, now let me turn on the light for the green first. Okay, I've clicked here, then you can see, okay, green LED is on. Now I'm going to connect red, turn on red. You can see the red LED here. Now again I'm going to on blue. So this is the blue. This time you can see this way live. Okay, okay, I'm turning on, and here you go. Yeah, so you can see, right? So now I'm turning off all one by one. So I'm green off, you can see, then red off, blue off, sorry, yeah, so blue off. So that's all, guys. Hope you like it, right? So guys, to get this application, you just need to come to this website, iotboys.com. It's our official website, maybe you know. And you can also come and check other videos and like a blog post. So to download you need to come to this download section, and you will see this application, right? IoT control tower. So this is the application which you need to download. You need to just click download and it will be downloaded. So as I have already downloaded, so I will just tell you what you need to do next after downloading. So basically, once you download, these 3 files would be downloaded. Okay, you just need to click on setup, double click. It's a very simple step. You just need to click click install application. Okay, you need to just click once install, then it will be installed and it will automatically open here. Okay, so after this as you can see, it's here. Okay, so then let's say like for this project I have to create a 3 appliances. I can say 3, basically I need to have a 3 control. Okay, so here I'm going to select a 3 in this option, and I can give the name. So let's say red LED, I'm mapping to 5, then green LED mapping to 6. So basically this is the pin mapping, means the pin which the code in the code we have written like this. Okay, so let me show that code also, that then it will be more clear. Okay, so I will explain this code also after this. So let me just hide this. Okay, so this is basically I have declared like red pin as a pin number 5, yellow pin 6, green pin 7. So these 3 pins I have declared as output. So basically I need to do the operation, like I need to have digital right on these pins. So that's why I have declared like that. So the same mapping I have to provide here in this application. Okay, so let's say, let me rename this to yellow, so that would be more clear. Yellow LED, and it's 6, that's fine. And green LED, and I'm mapping it to 7, and I need to click on the save, and that's all. So guys, you can see this I mean, for each the appliances which we created, in front of that we have this option, right? On off switch. This is a switch. So basically now if I do on, then it will say like we need to connect our Arduino board to this, and then we need to then only we can do basically. Okay, so let me just click on this board rate, and I need to click on connect. So it's saying connected to microcontroller. Now if I do on, then you can see button, the color become reds, and here in the status bar you can see that what actually it's happening. So basically in the command sent to your board, it's saying right on. So that's what we triggered, and the which pin, so pin number 6. So that's what we have written here, and that's what we have configured here, right? So that's what this application is. It's very simple to use. I can turn off, and let's say, so now you have closed this. Now after installation you can see this option here, right? You can see this IoTBoys. So you just need to click this, and you will see whatever the appliances you have created, you will see here. Okay, then you can again you can just connect and control that. So I need to do this 96. Okay, control and on, all become red. Okay, so that's the basically simple application that I wanted to explain to you, so that you will not stuck at any point. Now let me explain that Arduino code. Okay, so let's come to this Arduino. Okay, so this is basically the pin number which we want to control basically. So we need to have that one, we can just declare that variable. So we have created the variable and assign the pin number so that we can control at the runtime. Okay, so these three maybe you can understand. Then this is the input string variable I have declared. So basically what is happening here, let me come again and show you. So once I am clicking here, and once I'm like, let's say I'm doing on. Okay, so what is happening is here it's being communicated through the serial communication, right? The communication method would be the serial communication for this. So I need to basically so let's say I am sending this command. Okay, so here I need to parse this command, I need to read in the Arduino. So here that variable, whatever the serial communication is receiving, so that I am storing into this variable. And now I am just I mean for the safety purpose, so it will not throw exception. So I'm just checking if that is not empty, it means if I have received something, because this loop would be continuously running, right? So if that is, if I'm getting the value at that time only, it needs to come here and it needs to split with this hyphen. Okay, so like I'm sending the, let me tell you what I am sending. Let's say I have to turn on LED for pin number 5, so I'm sending like this, like a 5 and 1. Okay, means just turn on, go to the pin number 5 and 1 means on, and if I need to off, I'm sending this 0, sending this 0 to the from the our Windows application. Sorry for my keyboard actually. Okay, so if I need to turn off, I'm sending this 0, 5, pin number 5, 0, then it will be turned off. It's very simple, guys. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just splitting with this. Okay, and after splitting the pin string, pin basically I'm getting into this, and the state means like I need to off, on or off, that I am storing to this variable. Okay, now I'm just converting this because it's a string and the pin number is integer, so I need to convert that into the integer. So again I'm just parsing it. Okay, converting to this integer, and I'm here just checking that if the command is coming as 1, then I need to make a high. Okay, digital write, and the pin number, which pin number I'm receiving. So it's a dynamic, completely dynamic part. Okay, so it's not like it's limited to 5, 6, 7 only. So whatever the pin you have, that you can just configure here, you can just upload to Arduino and you can control. So that we will see. Okay, so the same thing, so else if command equals to 0, then for the particular pin number you need to do turn off. So that's all, guys, for this sketch. If you have any query regarding this, if you have some questions, you can just ask me, comment us on you can just comment me on the like YouTube channel. And one thing I missed here, setup. So basically the serial.begin means the basically the baud rate which I want to communicate. So let's say if I have defined 9600 here, then in this application I need to choose 9600 only. If I will choose 115200, then it will not communicate. Okay, so in that case maybe it will not work properly. Okay, so that the same we need to define here. Okay, then the pin mode, like this is not the code actually, this I just made for the testing purpose. So we can remove this part because that is a built-in pin. Okay, that if you don't have any LED and you don't have the other components which is required for this project, then you can just do this like pin number 13, make it as output, and you can control from there also. Okay, so that part I need to remove. This is not required. Okay, then I'm just declaring all the pin which is dynamically assigned here, so just making as a output so that I can control. So that's all, guys. So I hope you like this project, guys. So don't forget to subscribe and share this project with your colleague or friends who is also looking for some IoT projects. Thanks for watching.